trying to make this fucking thumbnail. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back to my channel. That was me trying to do a thumbnail because I remembered this time. I'm still wearing the same outfit as I did for the Otogi Spicy Octopus taste test. But after reviewing the video, it was another fail. I didn't like the main dish, which is okay. It's normal. That's why it's a taste test. So I went out for lunch yesterday with my aunt, and I saw that the Walmart by her has a bunch of Hispanic snacks in Goya brand, and I just grabbed every single wafer that I could find. So this is what they look like. I have 10 in total. I'm missing one, even though the packages say there's only 10. I'm actually missing the mango one because there's a strawberry, no. Yeah, I think it's a strawberry chocolate or vanilla chocolate that actually is not on any of the packages themselves. So, bonus. But I wish I had the mango one. So I have 10 right now. As you can see, I am struggling to hold these up. Okay, and I want to show you the flavors that I have. Oh, I'm so excited. After the last video, I was upset that I didn't like almost anything other than the sides. So I said I need something sweet in my life, and I hope these are good. Now these only cost, if you care about the price, I believe one cost 98 cents, one cost 96 cents, two cost 98 cents, and the rest of them were like $1.10 or something like that. Weird pricing, I know, but whatever. So here's the vanilla wafer. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the guava. Guava. Here's the dulce de leche. Excited. Vanilla and strawberry. Coconut. You guys know how I feel about coconut. Pineapple. Strawberry chocolate. I think this is going to taste like a chocolate covered strawberry. A chocolate and vanilla. A strawberry, just regular strawberry, and chocolate. Okie dokie, let's get started. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put these underneath me, guys. I'm trying to keep them in the order that I showed you, so I can try them right here. Okay, so the first three, I probably shouldn't taste the specialty ones. I'm actually going to change the order. I'm going to try the basic flavors first. The base flavors, I should say. I will try the vanilla, the chocolate, and the strawberry. Jeez, Sonia. What's going on, chickadee? What's going on? So, there's these three. I'm so excited. Alright, so let's try the vanilla one. Now, I want to open these correctly because I only have so many Ziploc bags left. I want to be sitting here. Oh, look it. There's a little arrow. Read. There's an arrow. Here's the arrow, guys. I'm so satisfied when it comes off like that. Holy crap. Alright. Oh, it smells so good already. Oh, I love wafers. Love wafers. Should have made some coffee with this, but I'm not too good with coffee, guys. So here's just a regular basic vanilla wafer. Let's try it. So good. I think I was eating two. I think I was eating two at the same time. I believe they're thinner than that. I think these are the real sizes. I should say 2 at the same time. Well, okay. Yeah, definitely ate 2. They're stacked on top of each other. Okay, guys. This right here, a 9 out of 10. Didn't blow my mind. Just the original. 9 out of 10. Okay. All these crumbs here are like making me itchy. Well, let's go with the strawberry. Now, does it have an arrow? Yes, it does. We'll follow the instructions. Satisfying. Not as satisfying as the first one because it went way too big, but whatever. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to eat 2. Because that's just how I roll. So this is the real thickness of it. And this is how I be eating it. It smells good. It's a little pink. I don't know if you guys can see the pink in there. Let's try it. It's a weird strawberry flavor. Like an artificial strawberry flavor. But it's good. It tastes like candy strawberry. I'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10. Just because the strawberry is weird. Okay. Water break. So good. Chocolate wafers. That's the next one. Okay, let's see if I can open this cleanly. Oh, yeah. And I just go like this. Oh, no, I don't want 4. I probably could finish this whole pack by myself, but I will not. That's the chocolate. That's the chocolate wafers. The chocolate don't smell that good. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna double it up for double the flavor. They smell like a chocolate candle. You know when you ever get a chocolate candle where it's like very faint chocolate, but it isn't like bam in your face? Why do you do this to me, Goya? It's not chocolate. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. Because that tastes nothing like chocolate. And the chocolate note to it, I don't know what that flavor is. But I'll eat it all. I'm so sad about this one. Okay. These are the next 3 that I'm going to try. So those were the bases, and now these are all mixed. And I'm super excited about this one. I was excited about this one, but the chocolate don't taste right, so maybe the strawberry will help it out. And the same thing on this one, like, I hope the chocolate tastes a little bit better in this one. So we'll go with chocolate and vanilla first. Yes, chocolate and vanilla first. This little tab here, it's like hole punched, but it wasn't hole punched properly, so I can't lift the tab. Oh, okay, okay. Let's see if I could do this for you guys. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Chocolate and vanilla. Do you know what that smells like? But I'm excited. Oh, not good. Wait, it's okay. The chocolate is really messing this up. I'm getting new glasses, guys. 2 new pairs. And actually on one of them, my main pair, I got the anti-glare. So hopefully when I do videos, it won't pop, the reflection won't pop off so much. 5 out of 10. Little chemically taste there, and I think it's because of the chocolate. 5 out of 10, I say that because it's not like, feel like if I say below 5 means I'll never go back to it. But if this was at a table, I'd eat some. Wow, that was a loud smack. The next one is strawberry and chocolate. I wonder if any of this is in Spanish. Wafers de vainilla rellenos con crema, sabor a chocolate y fresa. It is in Spanish. I would assume because it's Goya. Abrir? No, what does it say? Abra aquí. Okay, I'm opening it. I just love pulling that little red tab. No, this one smells good, and I think it's because of the strawberry. It looks cute too with the brown on top and the pink on the bottom. Okay. This is my 5th one, guys, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th, so that means I've eaten 10 wafers after I eat these 2. Well, let's get into it. It smells so good. If it tastes bad, I'm gonna be so upset because it smells so good. I'm gonna get this an 8 out of 10 because the strawberry overpowers the chocolate and it just tastes like a strawberry wafer. Luna? Okay. I didn't mean to call you Luna like that. I heard a big bang and I was freaking out. Okay. Vanilla and strawberry. I think this was gonna be so good because the strawberry right now is winning. Okay. abra aquí. Okay. Okay, dokie. Oh, it smells so good, guys. So good. I want to dip these in something, like chocolate or something. I'm be all hopped up on sugar in a minute. I'll give this one an 8 out of 10 as well. The vanilla kind of like balances out that strawberry flavor that I was telling you earlier that was like artificially. And it just tastes like a very faint strawberry, which is good. Just changes the whole strawberry flavor. I have crumbs everywhere. Sorry, guys. I'm short. I'm 4'11", and I'm on this really high chair with a pillow on my booty, trying to get some height, because, you know, I like this angle. Let me know if you do too. I was kind of tired of the Subaru behind me. Why do I drink it like that? I don't know. That's probably what you guys are asking. Like, she's drinking it wrong. Alright. I have 4 left, guys. 4. And they're the fancier ones, okay? We got the pineapple left. The coconut. The dulce de leche. And the guava. They're upside down. So these are my last 4. Can you tell which one I'm not gonna like? The coconut. I probably won't like the coconut, guys, just because I don't really like coconut flavored items. So let's try that one. Okay. Okay. What do they call it in Spanish? Coco. Okay. Yes, guys, I do speak Spanish, and I do understand Spanish, and I do read Spanish. It's just that I don't talk a lot of Spanish because I feel like I sound silly. Because Spanish is my second language. Oh, I ruined the pull on that one. Jeez, I really don't like the coconut, huh? Oh my gosh, the coconut. I shouldn't have talked junk about the coconut. It's fighting with me. Okay, coconut, I forgive. Forgive me. Oh, it really did not like me after I said those things about it. Okay. Strong coconut flavor. I don't like coconut water. I don't like sparkling water, but I always want to try it because I'm like, I'm gonna like this one. I'm gonna like this one. I don't. Like sparkling coconut water. I don't like coconut flavored items, but I have 100% organic coconut oil. I think it's called cold press because I think that's the best one. And I use that, you know, for my face, my body, makeup remover, whatever. I like coconut for that. But I've always wanted to eat a whole coconut or that soft coconut, young coconut flesh that everyone's doing, like an ASMR and stuff. Oh, I want to try that so bad. And I actually want to drink fresh coconut juice out of a coconut because I'm thinking it might taste different. And I might like that better than the ones that processed in stores. Smells like my coconut oil. It's just got a white layer, guys. I'm gonna do 2 for this one. Just because that's what I've been doing for the rest. Okay? You ever eat something and just get the chills because you're like, oh God. Oh God. It's not bad. Whoa! It's not bad. I don't know why my body's reacting. Oh, I got goosebumps. Whoa! Again, not gonna finish this one. I'm gonna give this one a 4 out of 10 on if I would eat it. But flavor-wise, for the viewers out there thinking they should get it, it's got a light coconut taste. And I don't know if you ever like swished coconut oil in your mouth and then you spit it out and you got that light coconut flavor and you're like, whatever. That's what it tastes like. But it's good. So I'm going to give these 2 scores. For me, it's going to be 4 out of 10 because I would not reach back for these. And if it's on the table, I might be dumb again to just eat it so I can have that reaction again. But to be honest and flavor-wise, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 of coconut flavor. So if you like coconut, this would be your same. Now you question like, why am I giving it 2 scores? Well, when I was in culinary school in college, and my mom's a chef also, you have to think of things twice, 2 different ways. What is your rating on it? What is my rating on it, and how I feel about it, and if I like it. And then there's another way to taste things, which is so weird to say out loud. There's another way to taste things, like how would the public like it? How would you guys like it? Like if someone did like coconut, would they like it? Yes, they would. They would love it. Me personally, I don't like it. So that's why I gave 2 answers. And that's my mindset on all of these, is just because I don't like it doesn't mean someone else won't like it. Same thing, I don't know if you know, I don't know if any of you guys over there went to culinary school or anything like that, where you cook for the masses, not yourself. So not everybody's gonna like spicy, not everybody's gonna like this. You cook it to a good dish where almost everyone can eat it and will eat it. That's what they did here. Everyone can eat it and will eat it if you like coconut. But if you don't like coconut, you're not gonna like this one, because it tastes exactly what it is, coconut. That'd be good on the side of a drink. And you're drinking a pina colada or something, and then you have a little coconut cracker there, wafer. So that's my score on that one. I know I took down longer with that one, but I just want to let people know exactly how I'm actually thinking about these things. I'm not thinking about like, it's disgusting, no one's gonna like it. No, I personally just don't like it. Okay. Pineapple wafers. Now this for me can go 2 ways. I can love it or I can hate it. Because pineapple, sometimes the flavors are too artificial and it don't taste good. And sometimes it's like, you know? So let's try it. And this is sabor la piña. Pineapple flavor. That's what I said. Okay, I'm a little scared already. It's starting to smell a little artificial and chemically with the pineapple flavor. Come on. Your brothers and sisters didn't do this. Don't do it. I should say cousins. Pineapple. Okay, this is going both ways with me. My phone's dying, guys. Hold on. Low power mode. This can go two ways with me. I'm sorry that the camera's shaking. It's got a light flavor of piña, but one bite it's like artificial and chemically, and the next bite is refreshing. So, I don't know what's going on with the mixture there, but I'd give that one a 6 out of 10. Just because it got me conflicted. If it didn't get me conflicted and it gave me that fresh flavor throughout, it'd be higher. I'm not finishing that one either. Okay. I'm gonna try the guava one next. Guava! And this is sabor a guayaba. Guayaba! I don't know why I wanted to say that, guys. But you're going to see everything. All the mistakes, all the jiggling, because like I said, I keep my videos raw. Unless I'm cursing or something, I got to bleep that out. Keep that raw. So you guys know that I'm being organic with you guys. This one's a cute pink too. Okay, now this one is the best smelling one. Like, there needs to be a perfume of this. Oh, it smells so good. I don't even know how to explain it. Super sweet. It smells like a nice piece of candy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now please taste good. What am I doing? Okay. It's good, guys. And the reason why I made that little shake up is like, it's so perfumey and smell. Like, the smell is so strong. It tastes like I'm eating perfume. Like, you ever spray yourself with perfume the wrong way? It gets in your mouth and you're like, you can taste it. That's what it tastes like. It's good. I give this a 7 out of 10. Too strong of a perfume taste. Like, if it smelled as good and tasted a little less perfumey, it would be good. Like, flowery too. What's going on there? I'm not gonna finish this one either, guys. I'm sorry. Got crumbs everywhere. Now the last one. Dulce de leche. Now this one I'm excited for. I'll turn it this way so you can see the last. Okay. There's the dulce de leche. Oh, smells good too. Go. Oh, I got dust in my nose, like wafer crumbs in my nose. I don't know what it smells like. Dulce de leche. That's what it smells like. Little caramel, little dulce de leche. This one I think is going to be too strong of a flavor too, because the smell is so strong, like the guava one. What did I just eat? Guys, this is so good, and the flavor is not strong. I'm laughing because I have freaking, every time I inhale, this dang crumbs keep going up my nose, and this is good. And then my reaction to earlier was like, what? This is good. 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. Because they gave me that, like, what? Reaction. Gosh, there's too much crumbs everywhere. That was good. So good. This one and the strawberry were my favorite. Yep. A1. So good. Oh, this with a little bit of coffee. Delicious. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this taste test. If you have a Walmart near you or any place that holds Goya snacks, please try all the wafers. Every single one of them. You will not regret it. There's not one flavor in here that I regretted. Personally, the coconut is not something I'd get again, but I didn't regret it because it wasn't nasty. It wasn't like, oh, nasty. It was, I don't like coconut flavor. That's like me giving you the best seafood in the entire world, and you hate seafood. The flavor is going to be amazing. The freshness is going to be amazing, but you're just not going to like it because you don't like seafood. That's how I am with coconut. I love this bottle. Okay, guys, like I said, go pick them up. So good. I'm going to show you. Do they have them in the back? Yes, they do. See how in the back they have all the flavors? Right there. That's what I grabbed. Actually, that one doesn't even show all the flavors. I'm pretty sure the vanilla ones show up. Yeah, see how they show a lot more? I was missing the mango one, which I'm so upset because I love mangoes. But that was a delicious dulce de leche was so good. I recommend it, guys. I recommend it 100%. I recommend all of these 100%. Now, you should go buy them now. I think I'm showing you the expiration dates on these. That's so funny. Am I? Yeah. Oh, now you can see that they are not expired, ladies and gents. Put these here. And they're so good. It's delicious. All right, guys. Look at that masterpiece right there. All right. Tell me which one you think you would really, really like to try. What you think wouldn't be your favorite just by the names. Yeah. And I think that's it. Let's start with the outro. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below anything you want me to try. You think my hair is cute? JK. The sugar's getting to me, guys. The sugar's getting to me. And tell me, like I said, answer which one would be your favorite and which one you would not like. And have you ever tried any of these? Do you guys get these already? Is there a specific brand that you like of wafers? Like you're like, I'm not going to go to Goya brand because I like this specific brand. Let me know. I don't really know a lot about wafer brands, but well, let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Xenia's Cravings. I do post on there sometime. Like I said, I'm trying to get better with my social media. Trying. I don't even post on my regular social media, my personal one. But, like I said, please follow me and let me know what I should try next, guys. You see anything in the Walmart that you're in, just comment down below. I'll look for it. Maybe I have it. I have like 10 Walmarts around me that I can drive within a 20-minute drive. So I will look for them. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching this. Sorry for the ending. I'm a little sugar high right now. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.